be showing you how to make like, it's a bit weird and it does get sent to your hands. I've seen it on another YouTube video, but going to be showing you how to make slime of just nail varnish and vegetable oil. So you'll be needing something to put in, something to stir with. I've got straw, nail varnish, any colour, any make, and any vegetable oil, but it has to be vegetable. It's basically rapeseed oil, but yeah. So we start off with is your tub, then you'll get some nail varnish. You will tip in as much nail varnish as you like. It doesn't make much. Like, the more nail varnish you do is how much you will get. Like, don't expect doing a bowl full, it'll turn out like massive. I'm just filling the bottom of my tub in, and that will be enough. So I've done that, but I'm not just going to put that one in. I'm also going to put in some of this one, just because I want it two colours and because I think it will be really pretty. So just going to wait for it. Is it coming? Yes, it is. Okay, there's some kind of ball in this. There we go, guys. And we did 2 drops of that. Now, I think I'm just gonna get this ball thing out. Sorry about that, guys. And you're just gonna mix it round, mix, until all your colours are mixed together if you have separate colours. If not, still mix it anyway. Now, you're gonna get some of your vegetable oil, and you're just gonna pour a bit by bit into your lips. So it's gonna stop. That's it. It will look a bit ew, like that sort of thing, but you don't need to worry about nothing like that. If you just keep mixing, it will all come off and come together. See? And just mix and mix. Make sure you get some of the oil in it. Because look at that. It's a nice fold. Here guys, if you could see that. I'm just going to carry on mixing it in the oil. Now what you do, you just pop it on the end of your straw. And you take this away. Mine literally like just fell asleep in it. So what you're going to do, you're just going to wash it under cold water for a bit. So all the oil gets out of it, you'll get oil wherever you put it. Like that. And let's wash it. There you go guys, you just made slime. You just made slime. Just made slime. You just made slime. Slime is the best. Now guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some film. Mom, I'm on a YouTube video, Shotty. Mom. I'm just going to actually wrap this in here, like that. It's to your texture and paste. What you're going to do is you're just going to put it in a little tiny bit, not a just going to pop that bit in the fridge. Fridge, not freezer. Thanks guys for watching. It is a really good way, but it is a kind of weak slime. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.